What's the meaning of acquired character? Acquired character. Acquired character. Acquired character. Acquired character. Acquired character. The term acquired character refers to a concept in biology that suggests an organism can develop traits during its lifetime as a result of environmental factors or experiences, which can be passed down to its offspring. For example, a person who heavily exercises may develop strong muscles and pass this physical trait to their offspring. However, this concept has largely been discredited by modern genetics, which asserts that most traits are determined by an individual's genetic makeup and are not acquired through environmental factors.